Hello friends, welcome again to my channel Organic and Hydroponic Urban Grow Pro. Friends, this is the second video of growing chili hydroponically. In this video, we are going to see how to start a nursery of the chili from the seed so that we can get the healthy plant for transplant to our system. Now, as we've seen, we can grow chili into many of the hydroponic system, but mainly we are going to grow it for the DFT system. For DFT system, we must prepare the seedling into the coco pit and later on transplant once the seedling becomes 4 to 5 leaf to the system. Now, if we are using a coco pit into the net cup as a transferring media, we can grow seedling directly into the coco pit filled tray, pro tray like this, and grow the seedling. Later on, we can remove the seedling from this and transfer into the cup very easily. This is the best method. But we are not going to use coco pit as a transplant media. We are going to use sponge instead of the coco pit so that our system remains the clean. For that, what we need to do, once the seedling is prepared, we need to clean the roots with the water and then later on transplant it into the cup with the help of the sponge. That will remain the clean system for the DFT system. So for that, we should not do such a hard work into growing a one each seed into the tray. Instead of that, we are going to grow that into this trays. These are trays with the coco pit. So here we can do the seedling very quickly and very easily into the bulk. Later on, once the seedling is ready, we can remove it from this tray, clean the roots with the water and transfer it into the cups. Now, for that, first we need to have a seeds. Now, chili seeds, we are going to use around 360 to 370 plants for this tower. So, chili seeds are 100 to 110 numbers per gram. So, for filling our tower fully, we require around 4 to 5 gram of the seeds. That will give us 450 to 500 plants, and that is good enough to fill our tower fully. If some seedlings will extra, we will later on transfer it to the other system like DWC, media buckets or even into this grow trays. But we must have a good seedling prepared around 360 to 370 numbers for filling our tower. So we will take around 5 gram of the seed. Now first part, we need to treat the seeds. So here we have taken the 5 gram of the seeds. These seeds are the homegrown. So we must treat these seeds because if we don't treat these seeds, they will get die because of the fungus. So in organic farming, we are treating it with the trichoderma and pseudomonas. But here we are not going to use that bacterial culture. Instead of that, we are going to treat these seeds with the help of a hydrogen peroxide. The treatment is very easy. We have here the hydrogen peroxide 6%. What we'll do, we'll pour some hydrogen peroxide into these seeds. Once we pour this hydrogen peroxide into this seed cup, it will start reacting with all the pathogens into the seeds and start forming the bubbles. That is the action of the hydrogen peroxide on these seeds. So once we pour some hydrogen peroxide, we must ensure that all the seeds get wetted with this. So as soon as we are mixing this, we can see some sign of bubbling over there, and that is the reaction hydrogen peroxide is doing with these seeds and clean these seeds. So I will show you the action. So you can see that immediately it has started taking action. So we need to keep these seeds around 8 to 10 minutes like this. After that, we can rinse this and then use it for the sowing. So meanwhile, the seed is getting wetted and clean. We'll make the other preparation. Now we are going to sow it into these trays. Now this tray, as you can see that we have already watered it. So after water it, we must clean this tray and level this tray. So first what we'll do, we'll lightly dig out these trays and remove all the traces of the old season crop from this tray. So we are just loosening the top layer of this coco pit and clean this tray and removing any remains left over from the last season crop. So this will make our tray ready. After that we need to level this tray so that after whenever we water this tray, it will be uniformly spread for the seedling. We have now pre-watered this tray, so we not need to give any water till the seeds are sprouting. Once we level this, we need to make the lines around 2 to 2.5 centimeter away and around 1 centimeter deep. We must sow this seed around 1 centimeter deep. That will give the good atmosphere for the seed germination. So what we'll do, we'll make this line every 2 to 3 centimeter around 1 centimeter deep to put the seeds. So once we complete this line, after that we'll clean these seeds and start sowing. So here our line work is over. Now we will clean the seed and then sow into this tray. So now it has been more than 10 minutes now and all the bubbling has stopped into this. You can see this. So these seeds are now clean. Now we need to further rinse this seed. So we have clean water with us. We'll add this clean water into this. You can see some more sign of the bubbling over there. Then we'll rinse these seeds with the help of this sieve. So we need to do it 2 or 3 times. That will make all our seed very clean. So again we are doing this with the clean water. And then again sieve it. So this will make our seed very clean. Now you can see that the clean seed over here, which will now little dry and then start sowing. So friends, the seeds are now quite a bit dry and now we can start sowing our seed into these trays. Now we have made already the lines into these trays with the help of a screwdriver. So we can have this line, uniform lines over here. Now what we need to do, we need to pour these seeds into this line carefully so that each seeds have some distance between it for healthy growth of the plant. So likewise, we need to spread all the seed into these lines carefully. So we are doing that work for our chili seeds. So once we spread all the seeds, we need to little spread these seeds again with the finger and cover it with this same coco peat. So right now we are filling all these lines with these seeds. So here we are completing our work of putting chili seeds into all this line. We are ensuring the good spacing between the seeds to give equal opportunity to all the seeds to grow well. So once we complete, we need to cover these seeds. So that is again the simple task. So what we'll do, we have taken all the seeds now. So we'll little spread these seeds into this line. Some seeds are left behind, so we are spreading this out. After this, we need to lightly press this seed into the coco peat, so it will have a good contact with the moist coco peat in the line. So likewise, we are putting all the line and cover these seeds. So you can see that now our seeds are getting buried into this coco peat, uniformly spread. So once we do this, we are going to cover these seeds with the same coco peat like this, and you can see that all this now buried into this coco peat around 0.5 to 1 centimeter deep. After that, we can lightly tap this to have a good contact of the seed with the coco peat. And once we do this, we must cover all the seeds with some plastic material like this. This will ensure the good moisture retention within the tray. So this will give a good opportunity for all the seeds to grow uniformly. We need to keep this cover for at least 2 to 3 days until the sign of germination we can see into this trays. Once the germination sign we can see, we can remove this plastic cover and sprinkle a plain water into this. Now we'll keep on sprinkling plain water twice a day until the chili plant start putting the third leaf. For the first 2 leaves, we don't require any nutrition. After the third leaf, we'll start the nutrition, and I will update you into the next video. In the next video, the initial nutrition and the transplantation. But for that, please subscribe the channel and keep the bell notification button on so that you will get the notification of the next video and you can also start the activity. Meanwhile, you also prepare for your nursery and put your nursery immediately so that you can transplant your chili plant with me with the next video and you will get the good plants. So till time, please make your nursery preparation and keep growing your chili nursery like this. Happy growing!